Hey, Paleo Nick here. I've been receiving requests lately for more seafood preparations. So we have featured oysters in the past, but haven't really delved into any of the other shellfish. And today we've got a bag of mussels. So stay tuned for this magnanimous mollusk. I'm gonna set this aside for a second. I've got one large onion over here. Just gonna quickly julienne. Boom. Just like that. Oh, this piece is kind of big. Here I've got my handy Camp Chef Dutch oven, cast iron. Look at that baby. And in here I've got some minced garlic. So anything that we start, I'm gonna give a little bit of olive oil and then a couple spoonfuls of bacon fat, bacon grease. To that I'm gonna add a good healthy handful of garlic. And my onions are gonna go right in. I added the onions right away because that pan was really hot. And the garlic I could see was gonna cook quickly. Just gonna get that mixed up like that. And then all I'm gonna do is dump this bag of mussels. Stir that up a little bit, grab our lid, throw it on. We'll let that cook for about 5 minutes while we prep out our other ingredients. All right, so we're gonna take a little peek at our mussels. We got a couple of them I see opening up. At this point, I'm gonna add about a half bottle of white wine. This is a Chardonnay, local California wine, right? And then a couple lemons. Let's just start with, we'll give juice of 1 lemon, just like that. And then I have 10 Campari tomatoes. Just gonna sprinkle those guys on top. We'll get the lid back on and let that cook away. All right, let's take a look here, you guys. Oh yeah, now they're starting to smile at us a little bit more, huh? Oh yeah, mussels, they have a very distinct flavor. I'm gonna give it some salt, a little bit of pepper, our parsley over here, and then 2 little knobs of grass-fed butter. Toss those in there. We'll let that butter melt down. We'll give it one final stir and then we'll be ready to serve. Okay, here we are, guys. I'm gonna call this the final product. Hot, but oh, tasty, good. So it was lacking a little bit of salt. We got the salt in there, butter's in there, everything's good to go. So how do we serve this? Good question. How I would do it, or a caveman would do it, they would just carry this to the table and people could dig in. But how we'll do it here, something similar. So say we're at the table, just gonna grab, well, super simple. How do you serve that? Maybe with some nice crunchy garlic bread for sopping up those juices, right? Following me? But no, there it is. Like we said in the beginning, this is a magnanimous mollusk, and super simple way to make it. You would pay probably 12 to 16 bucks for this in a restaurant. And that whole bag, all of this right here, I think was 15 bucks. So you're definitely coming out ahead if you make this one. I'm Paleo Nick, thanks for watching. And as always, keep it paleo.